Hello, welcome to my course on list building using Facebook. And in this course, you will learn how to create or build or grow your own mailing list using the power of Facebook platform with the concept of groups and pages. And what's most surprising is that you don't even need to spend any money to advertise. So let Facebook advertise for you. And how you can also learn to select a niche to base your group around to build your mailing list. And please take note that my support time is every day 8 a.m. So feel free to post any questions you have in the discussion area and I will reply your questions every day. And just to give you some tips on how you can get the most out of this course is that make sure that you take notes along the way. Have your writing materials ready, and if I share some resource or some tools website with you, take them down. Number 2 is to always be open to ask questions if you have any inquiries or doubts regarding the material that I share with you. And number 3 is if you know the answers for the questions asked by other students, feel free to help them out, because the more you help others, the more clarity and faster you will learn in this journey as well. And finally is don't forget to take action after you take away the most valuable part of this course. Take action so that you can see the results yourself. I look forward to be on this journey with you, and I'll see you in the next few videos. Thank you.